Bricks, enough money. Etiquette them. Billions, billion.
Man a stack cheddar pan cheddar bricks pan bricks. And no lightweight and no feather. Me a analyze money, call me money professor. My brain run.
Some tired some woman, you know. You could put in a hook in the lead, you straight, you know. You come to tell the woman, say, no, go down the man yard. And she make me look like, say, yo, me a son little cheap boy. I'm a big man. You understand what I say? Oh, she feel do them things that make me look so small. We not have things now. But me know say later on God have a blessed way. So, the woman can't buy a real.
Jeremiah.
Where you come from? You tell us that go to my man yard, you still go down there.
My God, I might be just coming out the place and I'm here for one CEO. What your problem? Why you going to suffer? Eh? Why you going to suffer? You know, you might talk to you. So why I get out of things? Well, I have good news for you. You don't know? May I talk to you? Hurry up.
What happened?
Me say me have good news for us.
What kind of good news you could have?
Yeah, but love what me I tell you now. So guess me what? Me say me go down and my brother, you would never guess what me say. Me say the man full of money and be a big liquor. The man sit down on the and live in lavish honey. You don't know what me can't live so.
Listen, wait till my change coming.
Wait till what kind of change come. Relax yourself. You close your eye. I have a surprise for you. Hey! Look at this. $50,000.
I mean, really, not that type of thing, you know.
Sister wants to have a better news for us. Him give me this. Wait there. Give me this. That wants to.
What that?
Not a piece of paper.
A piece of paper. Piece of paper can't do nothing.
So you don't listen to good news. When we can't go and say a shout and a raise a voice.
Yeah, I'm good with you, man, for what you do.
Yeah, with the
I tell you, say, go down there so come could ask mama for some food.
Relax yourself. You know, see, we don't can buy food, pot up of food, we will not hungry again. Guess me what? This is the victory paper.
So what's so special about that, the paper?
We are no man, me they come with the rest them. You take along so bad, man. Take it easy. And I have this.
Oh, we are going candle.
2 candle. He tell me what we do. I do it, they go do sitting.
Oh, I mean, I like
you want
that.
Tap galang so. What you mean by you not like them kind of thing? I know better we want better every day. We don't get that feel with
yeah, but only you know when we grew up in a church and them thing, only me not support them type of thing, you know.
Me not like it. I don't want to we but we don't get the tab. So we want
to keep the change come.
Well, listen to me. Whether you like it or not, my days of starving over. You better enjoy the lavish life. Cause now we dey go live it. Me dey go like the 2 candle them fine. So we feel like the candle and call the client.
What kind of client?
Oh, you mean what kind of client?
What name client?
Now worry yourself. When we call the client, you will hear. You know, hear me say, lend me your phone them.
Oh, let me not give my phone for them thing, then I want your phone. Use your phone and make your call. Not give my phone for them thing there.
And when you're done, you see one go and yam the money.
Me don't help
me. You know why help me? Look here. I dem your life, you me brother don't want here to live, you know. You know see me brother how much house, you know?
So what
look here, we don't live nowhere. This a $50,000 you know feel now we are picking me, you know. So when you make a long look outside, you know innocent. You know why when we go down the road, we go out the place up so when we are your chop out every day. We can't go champion go buy big food. What wrong with you? Calm down yourself. Enjoy, we don't enjoy ourselves no, cause we suffer too long. You understand what me they say? So this is it. Why you tell me what we do? Come in, you see your face, you see money, and if you see ever see so much money, not you could your nasty face no, you see your face. I saw me and they got the video. You see what? So what you say? What you say? What you say? The money enough, not true. Real man, two and we dey go a champion when we don't go buy the food for Nyan. Eh, and we there's a chicken back over. We dey with a damn chicken but they bruise up with mouth. God me tired of it, brother. My brother say, when me like the two Indian candle, if he call the client and everything will be alright. You want me try?
Well, you have to do what you have to do because you got through all that trouble already, so.
I know that me say me want hear the answer from you.
Do it.
I saw me want you talk to me, man. Like you see you're not going to be no man. Me know that from me. Hear me brother to me no. Me not think you should have care no. Your man not love me no. He not go agree with it. Hear me no know what yourself. Me man love me so he will do what me tell him to do.
And everything what you have said to do me.
Not telling a lie talk so.
Sure.
I go and call the client. See the client. How you think me fi say? You never hear nobody do it before. Come in, never hear nobody do it.
You always hear little boy them a do it.
So make up your face and tell me exactly what to say.
When me hear them say no, you call them and tell
So
them
alright, me
to
dial the number now.
you calling from the bank and them win some money, right?
I want
So
their name. What want me fi call it? How me fi call their name? What me don't do? Hear first if I want woman or man.
Yeah.
And then me don't tell them say.
See name there no?
Me see the name.
Alice. So you call
Alice
you
and
ask Alice if it's Alice and then you tell her say she win something. She must give amount of money from the
what
bank.
me fi tell them? What you think me fi tell them say? We not the bank. I have enough, you know.
You can't tell her that she win 40,000 because that sound convincing.
That have 40,000 US or pound. Or which number
We
is?
now go too high, just say US.
Alright. And then me tell them say.
Them have to give you some money to collect you 40,000.
Okay. As simple as that.
Simple as that, no run over.
No run over. Alright. I am going to dial the number now and send it off. Alright. Hello? Is this Alice? Okay, I'm calling from the bank. And you win 50,000 US dollar. Yes, ma'am. To get the prize, ma'am, to get the prize, you have to send us 20,000 US dollars to get the $50,000. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you what, I'll get back in touch with you as soon as possible. Okay, Alice? Have a good day. Okay, bye-bye.
But when you say honey, because like you're in this big time.
No, I'm not in it, but
All your guys change so fast.
because me and my brother meet already. So me know
So that means that when me there work, you have practice behind my back.
and me no more practice.
Your English strong.
It's so good. No, it's so like we don't get the money up. The woman say no carry man. Lord have mercy. The world is insane. You can imagine the bank call me and say that I win 50,000 US. Huh? So if I win 50,000 US, why would they want me to send 20,000 US to them? That is strange. No, sir, I don't think that is right at all. So why they don't take all the $20,000 out of the 50,000 that they say that I win? Something not right somewhere. I don't know where it's wrong, but it's not right. Jeremiah! Jeremiah?
Yes, my wife.
Come here, hurry and come.
What happened now, my
I
wife?
just get a phone call. The bank called me and said that I win 50,000
Oh,
US.
God. Thank you, Father.
Why?
You answer my prayer, Father. You know from when I am praying for a breakthrough, me on. Huh?
You praying for a breakthrough. A bank call out. You hear what I said?
Yes,
I
you
said the bank.
$50,000.
We win 50,000 US.
Yes.
We do anything to win any money. I don't believe it.
My wife, you know said to me, it look like you lick your head, my wife. If every day we go to the bank and bank money, we not must win.
I don't believe that we win. You don't hear about this scammer.
Listen,
You don't hear.
No scamming, my wife.
They say that they
It's
want.
a bank call. We're on the phone.
What you going to do with this
Let
phone?
me call back.
Don't call them back and hear what I have to say before you call them. They say they're going to call us.
We're
They
not.
said I should send them $20,000 to retrieve the $50,000.
That's not the little bit of money, my wife.
What you mean by a little bit of money, my
My
husband?
wife, I can't make this a breakthrough your pass, you know.
Lord have mercy upon me. I saw you licky. I never know that you licky, sir. You calling them back?
My wife, that be nice, no?
Lord God.
Hello? Yes. My wife called and tell me that you guys called and said we win 50,000 US dollar.
Yes, sir. And to retrieve that price, you have to send $20,000.
That's no problem, man.
It is a problem. Where are you going to get it from?
Stop your noise now, my
Where
wife.
are you going to get the $20,000 from?
Pardon me for a minute. Just hold for a minute.
Me man, it look like I said they don't send the money. Lord God Almighty. I send the easy man. Me they tell you and that me they tell you say you feel behave yourself and this do what we have to do.
So what them have to discuss, you know, or them have to send the money?
They discuss how we send with the money. So me brother right when he say we feel like the Indian candle.
You look legit.
Me I tell you.
That means say all that we sufferation I go over now.
Oh, and that me they tell you and they got like a
Oh,
idiot.
shh. My name here we. Wait till him call back.
My wife, I'm on the phone
I know that.
talking.
Don't you know? Think that I know that?
Right? Make me talk to the people and then we discuss after.
Okay.
Right?
You always do the wrong thing.
Chop! Sorry about that. Is my wife and me have a little dispute?
We don't have a dispute. We are fighting.
Yes, so what you saying now? Yes, my wife named Alice. Yes. You called the right number and the right time.
He's teasing.
So what you saying?
That money to
We
give.
must send you 20,000 US to collect 50? That's no problem.
Okay.
So when do you want that money?
Sir, you have to send the money tomorrow morning. Because if you don't send the $20,000 tomorrow morning, the price will be expired.
Tomorrow? I don't think I can reach that by tomorrow. I only have 10,000 US now.
You disappoint me.
But you know what? I don't want this price to leave me, so I will get it by tomorrow. No problem. So how would I meet you with this money?
Jesus Christ, hear me, man.
You will contact me tomorrow? Okay. I'm gonna get the money by tomorrow morning. No problem. It's nice doing business with you, okay? Alright. Talk soon.
You are a licky
My
man.
wife, this sound legit.
It does sound no legit.
Legit, the wife.
I said it does sound no legit.
My wife.
What?
Them say we win 50,000 US and we must send 20, my wife. It's legit, man.
My husband. If we win $50,000, right?
Yes, my wife.
Why they don't take the $20,000 that they want out of it?
Because it's a price you have to pay for a price. My wife, the time
Do you have money? You have money.
we have $10,000.
You
So all
touching
we
it.
need is 20
You're going to touch it. You
more.
cannot touch it. You
My
cannot
wife,
touch it. What?
The pearl that me buy for you
Which
and
pearl?
the jewelry. My wife, give me this one and then.
Give you what? You're not touching it.
My wife, to see
You're
it.
not going to any pawn shop with nothing for me. You cannot touch my jewelry.
My wife,
Really, Chubby?
me need the money.
Leave me alone.
My wife,
Listen to
all this time, my wife, me been asking God for a breakthrough, right? And now the breakthrough
drinking. You are mad.
My wife!
Go away! Go to your bed!
Give me the money! My wife!
It's I want your money! You see them things that I don't want? You know me and you want to follow? After so many years!
My wife!
Look at it! You want to take it, carry it, go sell it?
I will make it by tomorrow.
Me husband, don't you see the people them scamming you?
I'm going to do for the rest of the time.
Don't touch me things.
Rest of them.
Lord God, I never knew that life would treat me like this. Imagine. Look at my husband's situation. We are all and he let the people them tricking him. Lord God, help me. Why this man doing this to me? Oh my God. My pearly. Oh Jesus, Jesus. I didn't know that they would do my husband this. You're so licky.
Why?
Oh God. I don't want to talk to you. No,
Them.
you get a what?
Yes.
You're not taking them.
Me wife.
You're not. Give me my
Them must get 10,000. Why am I in?
Why you
So
doing
when
this
we
to
reach the
me?
pawn shop today, this will value with my wife. Stop worrying yourself, you're my wife.
Don't want you to love me. I love you, but I don't love what you're doing. You let them turn in you, idiot.
It's not idiot, my wife. We win the money.
We don't win a thing.
Look for when we are pray for your
Yes, we
breakthrough.
pray, but why now a bank want to call us when we are home?
Because it's the time now.
My
Oh, how do you true come now, my wife?
Sorry,
My wife, no man not cry.
I know me was a yellow,
My wife, me I go over the pawn shop to come back here. I saw me back.
I know me really realize that Jeremiah don't love me.
Bricks, enough money. Etiquette them. Billions, billion.
Man a stack cheddar bricks pan bricks. I no lightweight and no feather. Me a analyze money, call me money professor. My brain run hot no like a processor. Me no love slave driver, so keep we oppressor. Man a beat them bad belt, leather them can't keep up. Peace, pressure diamond stud boot, no sketcher. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Bricks pan bricks in a bag we a couple pound. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Hot foot out and I lock the street and the town. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Girl get wild and start get crazy. When the markets pull up on me glass shady. Couple bricks in a bag, bam back, waiting 4 5